Hey, how's it going, RevTune? This is Muzza, and today I'm going to be fixing up the power windows on the Skyline. I'm going to fit that mirror I bought for the car as well, and also I'm going to tidy up the interior and put it all back together. So this is only a quick video, this one, but just to give you a quick show of how the door trim comes off, and it's starting to look like a car. So come on, have a look, and I'll show you. Okay, I'm going to pull the door trim apart so we can get this window to work. So you take this trim off here. The corner trim, you can leave on. You take the screw out here on the door handle, and then Skyline's underneath. There's a screw underneath here on the plastic trim, and then you take the switch off. You got to unplug it, but this one's already been unplugged. And then you pull the door trim off. So you pull it from the bottom, it unclips, and then like that, and then you lift. It's stuck. And then you lift off, and that's the door trim off. And then on the door, on the Skyline, you usually got the resistor. It lives here. And then the window switch plugs in here. So let's get the key, put some power on and see if it works. I got the relay plugged into the door, window switch, and now we have power window. So we're lucky with this one. Wasn't too bad of a fix. Yeah, boy. All right. So I just changed the mirror over. So you got the 3 10mm here behind the triangle cover. The only difference I noticed is this mirror had a heated glass element. So that's what this blue plug is. But this one I put on the car doesn't. But I'm not too fussed about heated glass. So if I leave it disconnected, it should work hopefully. Mirror controls here, so we'll try. Look at that, fold in. How does it not fold? Oh, look at that. It even folds in. The other one doesn't. So, oh yeah, at least one folds in. Maybe I need 2 mirrors. Let's see if it adjusts. Yeah. It moves. How about the other side? Yeah. Got mirrors now. Yeah, boy. Mad. So other thing fixed on the bucket list. But now we have mirrors. So far, project 33 is coming along. So I changed the mirror. Put window switch and resistor in the door. The door trim's a bit mangled, but yeah. Getting there. So tidied up all the interior. Just needs a good clean. I put a door lock actuator in the passenger door. Put the trim back on. So she's getting there. So next step, guys, I'm gonna pretty much fix up the headlights for the car, because next weekend I'm gonna go down and see Uncle Richie and get the front bumper bar and grille for this car, and then hopefully get it registered and we can start cruising around. So please like and subscribe to RevTune TV on YouTube. And if you've got any questions you want to ask Uncle Muzza, go on to RevTune TV on Facebook and ask away on there. Stay tuned, RevTune. See you next time.
So Mario's working on the car, but can you see anything out of the ordinary?
There's a duck.
There's a rat over here, and I go, there's a duck.
There is a duck in our garage.
How holds it a duck in any?
Hi.
Don't scare me.